Whatever you do, don't attempt or be like this guy.
Okay. Oh, shit. That is definitely not supposed to be happening. Oh, but it is for science. Oh, my God. Look at that. That's sick. Tastes kind of funny, though. Holy shit. As if the fire alarm goes off, I'm fucking running. Now, I'm outside, but I don't think the insurance company is going to cover this one. Now, according to you guys, steel wool is where the real fireworks are at. So, let's try it, dude. What? That's sick. Dude.
Make sure to subscribe for more videos.